Today we are performing the lab of DNS, which is domain name system. This protocol is mainly used for because we don't remember the IP address of every website. It's difficult to remember. So this website or this protocol makes it easy by converting them into host names and names with characters, and by a survey also we can easily remember the characters beyond the numbers. Uh, in these there are three phases in this lab. One is ns lookup command, and is one other is ipconfig, and another is tracing DNS with Wireshark. Okay, the first phase is ns lookup command. Actually, we do ns lookup command for getting the IP address of a particular hostname. Let me show you. I have done the ns lookup command for mit.education website. So you can see here the address, IP address, and the aliases like what are the other hostnames possible like mit.edu, mit.edu.hk.net. This is the most of that particular website. And here also you can see the ns lookup command of bitc.mit.e. It is the total like domain name of that particular web address. In this way, we run the ns lookup command, and show the ideas. After that, after that, there are some three questions given that run ns lookup command to obtain the IP address of a web server in Asia. This, you know, when everywhere we run, it shows the IP address of our web server. That is in Asia because India is also in Asia, right? So let me show you the answers for that question. I have already gone through that. Yeah, it's just above. The IP address of the answer first question is the IP address is 58.1.249.140. It's like it's like continent has a separate number. So let me copy this and show you. Okay. ns lookup. See, it shows the host name, which is where we have had that what is the host name of that particular IP address. So, okay, this way you can see. And this is second question is run as to determine the authoritativeness for a university in Europe. Any university. I took Oxford, which is like get this host name by CMD, and also the Yahoo Mail for that. Let's run again for this IP address. See, you can see the yahoo.com. This way we use it to discriminate or determine the IP address of particular hostnames. The second phase of this project is ipconfig. ipconfig means it shows the related information of our total IP information. Like if I write here slash all, it shows the total information that had, and also least obtained, least expires, and what the DHCP server and IPv6 address, IPv4 address that is preferred, and many information that we got from this ipconfig slash app. And here mention that you have already done this command, and for displaying DNS we should run this command. You can see all the DNS servers that connected to our host. See config.hrefskype.com, In this way, we also get the information of DNS servers. There is also TTL, time to leave. If you do flush, it clears the cache of that particular DNS server. Now, the third phase is tracing DNS with Wireshark. So, now that we are familiar with DNS lookup and IP config, so now let's um, get capture the Wireshark packets. Okay, then for that we have to open a Wireshark and start packet capturing. Then we should go to this website www.idc, which I had already done. If you are not done, then please, after starting a Wireshark, go to this website and again stop Wireshark capture. Now I have already done, so let me show you. This is the responses of that our particular website, and this is the query. The query is passed to server and server gives the response. After that, there are some questions given like locate the DNS query address locator, address center UDP or TCP. Let me show you that this is the query which is sent through domain name system and TCP protocol, and its response is also sent through transmission control protocol, which is TCP. And some basic questions are given like destination port, source port, and what's IP address, and what type of DNS query, examine how many answers. Let me show you that all answers here. See, this is the source address and this is the destination address. See, you can see the source port and destination port. And also you can see here what are the answers, and which there are of type A. And in this way, you can answer that all questions. After scrolling, consider subsequent scene packet and then the destination IP address correspond to encoding response message. No, actually they are completely different. Let me show you the answer of that. Whatever their answer are given, they are completely different. And the second question is this web page contains images. Before entering each mention that your last issues DNS. Yes, or DNS queries, because for image we use to get a separate message in Wireshark. And again, they told what is DNS for query means. I already told this all information to you, what type and how many answers. And to what IP address, these are destination IP address, and also you know the type. And for you should repeat the previous experiment, but instituting this command. While if you run this command, you will get that IP address, this IP address. This DNS is timed outing. So let's remove this and run. Yeah, it shows the IP address 18.0.72.3. In this way, and also let me show you the answers for that questions. The IP address is 18 point, as I already shown, and its type and its it is matching, and its name is, as you know, and if all details were there will be in Wireshark. And if I start the packets and run this, then you will get all the details about that particular command. In this way, we will completed our 3 phase of a lab and completed DNS lab.